In this video, I want to talk about how you can add Stripe to your website. Now, keep in mind, depending on what website hosting or something you're using, if you're using Shopify and stuff, you just want to go into your settings on that website and you can enable Stripe. But if you want to do it directly from Stripe, you can do something called a payment link. So you can go to payments and click on payment link, create a payment link. Then you just want to add your product and image and fill everything. And once you've done that, you just want to click on create link. Now it's going to look like this with your product name, the price, and then you just want to put this link inside of your website anywhere. Can be a buy now button or can be a purchase button. So just hide the link under the button. And then when they click on buy now, they will click on the link to get to this product page where they will see the product name and everything, and they will be able to pay. So this is a really easy and simple way to do it. But if you have a lot of products, this is not the easiest way. The easiest way with a lot of products is to just go to your website's hosting and then simply add Stripe inside of the settings there, and then it will be able to work like that. But if you just want for a single or a few items, this is really easy. Just making a payment link, putting it in there and your product, and simply just do it like that. Now, I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.